Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Puerto Rican pasteles, one of the most treasured recipes of Puerto Rico. I'm using my slow cooker to cook overnight 2.5 pounds of pork tenderloin sprinkled with salt and pepper, adding 1 large onion, 1 diced red bell pepper, 1 cubanero green pepper, 1/2 of a cup of chopped cilantro. Then mash together 6 mini sweet peppers or ajíes with 6 garlic cloves and 6 culantro leaves. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1/4 of a cup of chicken or beef broth. Seal your slow cooker and let it cook overnight. Then I start preparing the annatto oil by mixing 1 cup of annatto seeds with 2 cups of vegetable oil. Let it boil until the seeds become black and then strain and let it cool until it's time to use it. Now to make the masa, I'm peeling 12 green bananas and 2 green plantains. They peel the same way. Then I'm peeling about 2.5 pounds of Caribbean pumpkin or Puerto Rican pumpkin. Make sure you remove the seed area as well. I'm peeling 4 pounds of yautía blanca. One and a half pounds of malanga. The malanga is distinctive because it has violet dots inside. After rinsing the vegetables, I cut them in small little pieces so they can fit through the grinder. Cut them according to the tools that you're going to be using to grind the vegetables. Grind your vegetables, making sure you obtain a very soft and very smooth masa. It should look like baby food. Sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of salt and then add 1 cup of the annatto oil. The meat is cooked very tender, so I'm able to shred it. I prepare the banana leaves by boiling them in water for 5 minutes. This makes them clean and flexible to work with. To assemble the pasteles, place on the working surface a square of parchment paper and on top a piece of the banana leaf. Brush with annatto oil all over the parchment paper and the banana leaf and place in the center of the banana leaf about 1 cup of the masa and spread it without making it too thin. Place about 1 tablespoon of the pork filling in the center of the masa. Then we're going to fold in half, covering the pork with the masa. Fold the wrapping just as if you are folding a gift bundle. Fold in the 2 corners and then fold into the kitchen twine and tie the bundle, making a cross securing the corners. And there you have it, our first pastel. For cooking, using a big pot, cover the pasteles with water, add a little salt and let it boil for at least 1 hour. See, all we needed was a little determination to make this recipe. Remember, the ingredients and the steps to take to make this delicious recipe are in the description area below this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again in my next video. Hasta luego. Bye bye.